Hello and welcome to the video for this listing. It's a Delma Swiss-made 17 jewel with date incabloc, and it's quite a small watch. Let's get the calipers on it. 35.5 including the crown, so pretty tiny. Nice nice domed crystal, 9.7mm thick. The band is one of these elasticated jobs. I'll just show you that. And the rear case back shows anti-magnetism. There's a cage in there, and it's a non-runner at the moment, and the reason for that is the seconds hand has fallen off and the hour hand has got twisted. But on the positive side, the crystal's good. If you need it as a donor watch, it would make that make a spares or up for renovation. Yeah, the acrylic is not bad actually, but unfortunately I think I've just spotted something in the top right hand corner at 2. Anyway, there we are. That's the Delma, and there's not a lot more I can say about it. It does wind. There is tension on the spring, and it sort of appears to be fully wound at the moment, but there is tension on the spring. Okay, anyway, there we are. Thanks very much. Bye bye.